Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply canvas to all your clips in CapCut PC. So here I have this clip. I have 4 clips that I want to edit and I want to change the canvas of this video. So what you need to do is just first block all of the videos and adjust the scale into 80 like this, and now you can just click on one of the video and then scroll down under the basic in here, scroll down until you find canvas. So click on this drop down and click on the box right here and change it to the one that you want. So I'm going to go to pattern, and here just select the new background, the new canvas for the video. So I'm going to just select one of this. For example, I'm going to add this okay, this one's right here. So first download the background, and now you can see it has been changed, but it only applies to the first clip. So what you need to do is just go up, scroll up, and now click on this apply to all button. Okay, so now the new canvas has applied to all of the clips. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.